Lindabradley with Princess House, and I like to help busy people bring healthy to the table in a beautiful way. So today I have a very easy recipe for you that I hope that you will enjoy. Here in New Jersey it's really hot today. I think it's going to go up to almost 90 degrees, like it's not even June yet. That's what happens here. We kind of never get a spring. It goes right from winter to summer. But on the really hot days, you definitely don't want to mess. So what I did today is I have a super easy recipe. I'm going to use the Fantasia. This is the miracle dish that I'm using today. It's the 9x13. What I like about it is it's oven safe and microwave safe and dishwasher safe, but I love that it has a plastic lid. So if you're in a rush, you can make your foods up ahead of time. Some of you busy people, you might want to make this the night before, right? Go ahead and put it in the refrigerator, and then the next day when you get home from work, you just have to take the lid off and put it in the oven. So basically you're going to take chicken breasts. It's a super easy recipe, and you're just going to cut diagonal 3/4 of the way down. You don't want to go all the way. You want to have a little bit left, okay? So you're going to make, depending on how thick your breast is, maybe 4 or 5 cuts. And then we're going to go ahead and use our basil, our mozzarella, and our tomatoes. Now, if you're fortunate enough to live in New Jersey, woo-hoo, you know, they don't call us the Garden State for nothing. This is basil from my garden. I wish I could say I made fresh mozzarella, but we also grow strawberries here. So you're going to take that little package right here, the basil, the tomato, and the mozzarella, and just stick it, stuff it inside each of these little openings. And so that's what it's going to be. It's kind of cool, kind of easy. If you like basil, if you like mozzarella, you can put doubles in. There's no rules on this. And you're just going to make them up. Can you see? All right, I already made some up here so I wouldn't take too long with you. And then what we're going to do, all right, so see, it looks all pretty. We're going to go ahead and put it in the dish. So now let me show you what it looks like, and then we're going to season it up a little bit, okay? So it looks pretty without even being made yet. Then what we're going to do is take some olive oil, and we're just going to brush it on the top. What's the nice thing too about this pan is that you don't have to use any type of oil in the bottom of the pan. It kind of has already like a little bit of a non-stick finish, and it really cleans up really nice too. And then this is a mixture of just a half a teaspoon of salt, and no, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1.5 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. And then that's it. You're going to put it in a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees, and then you've got dinner. So check back with me later. I will cook it for you. I will eat it for you. Oh, the things that I do for you. So this is one of my favorite people. If you want to just get a hold of me. If you're watching me on YouTube, please like my channel and subscribe, and then ring that bell so you'll always get notifications. Miracle Dish Monday, out.